Okay, so we have this question here. It says a market researcher wants to evaluate car insurance savings at a competing company. So we're not looking for a proportion. There's nothing about percentages. So we're looking for some confidence interval about a mean. And it says based on past studies, he's assuming that the standard deviation is 100. So that's going to be the population standard deviation. So sigma is going to be 100. So in the PowerPoint notes on slide 29, you'll see here's our margin of error formula to find a certain sample size. So it's just going to be the sample size equals z of alpha over 2 times sigma over the margin of error squared. So we have n equals z of alpha over 2 times sigma over the margin of error, and this whole thing is going to be squared. So the first thing I want to do is find what is z of alpha over 2. So that's going to be the z values that cut off the middle 95%. This is 95%. So that means this is going to be 2.5%, 2.5%. So I'm looking for these z values. So I'm going to use my calculator. I'm going to go to, that's good, the distributions menu, second, bars, inverse normal because I'm looking for the z value. I have the percentage. The area to the left of this, I'm looking for this z value. So I want the positive one. Area to the left of that z value is 95 plus 2.5 or 97.5. So this is 0.975. Mu and sigma are 1. So that z of alpha over 2 value is 1.959. So we're just going to keep that the way it is. And then I'm going to multiply it by sigma, times that by 100. And then divide that by my margin of error, divided by $10. And then that last step is to square this thing, square. So we get 384.1. No matter what we get, any decimal, you always round up. So this is going to be 385.